Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can create the drop shadow effect to texts on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document or design on Affinity. Let me zoom in and let us apply the drop shadow effect to that text here. What you want to do is navigate to the Layers tab here on the right hand side. Select the layer with the given text with your left mouse. Then navigate to this button here, Layer Effects. From that menu to the left, let me just move that window here to the right. What you want to do is select the outer shadow effect by enabling it here with that checkbox. And here to the right, guys, you may go through that customization for the outer shadow. Left click into it, of course, and start with the blend mode. Here we go, for example, I don't know, you can go with any of these. I will go with normal, then you may adjust the opacity of the drop shadow effect, the radius, the offset, and so on and so forth, and also the intensity, and then the color, guys, right? So let me choose a different color than black so that we may see the drop shadow effect. Let us go with something yellowish or green. You can use that slider here for that, or choose other types of colors like CMYK colors or RGB colors. Use the color picker here. I will go with this color, and then here also adjust the angle by moving that handle here, and you will see the drop shadow effect for your text, as you can see, right? So you can use these sliders here to intensify the effect, for offset, for radius, right, the opacity, and that's how it works. Click close here in the bottom right to apply this effect. And that's how you create a drop shadow effect on Affinity Designer in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.